So we've been busy cleaning up the property since the last flood, and we haven't had a chance to use our little shower stall. There was a lot of debris in here and stuff that we have to clean out, and I came in here to start cleaning it out, and we have a bird nest in here. I don't think there's any eggs in there or anything like that, but no, I really don't want to mess with it right now because I figured they're planning on doing something in here, but we'll have to figure something else out.